If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Yeah, yeah man, yeah man, yeah. Come with them girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the phone, just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and so for us to the face I hear the voice and I don't know say a Cogency. But the Cogency Reacts channel. Bro, I feel like I've been messing up my name for the past couple of days. It's just because I've been saying it so much because I've been making so many videos, bro. I make like every time I sit down and record, I make like 10 to like 14 videos every time, each batch. But not all of them get posted because sometimes I talk way too crazy or sometimes the reactions are just shit. But anyway, man, today we have Teeway with goals. As they say, premiered 43 minutes ago. I'm trying to be quick on them, you know what I'm saying? Actually, you never know, brother. As soon as it upload, me they want to start. But I had a video exporting. Because you know the work rate is up on the channel right now, bro. So I had a video exporting before I start to wait and that to done before I start this. So, I don't want to waste any time. Click my links in the description. Oh, road to 2K, bros. We're at 1.8K subscribers now. So if you see this and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button for me. Hit that like button and get in the comments because I reply to all the comments. So comment anything, you understand? And I'll reply to it. But you don't know. Yeah, and follow me on Instagram and let's jump into it. Sound rappy. Jog. And say, bro, look at that guy's fingers, bro. You can tell he's been doing a whole bunch of hard labor in his life. Look at this. Fab, look at the man's knuckles, blood. Not only are they ashy, the dog, but the thing them just chip up and black and dog. Jano, dog. Guys, just put on some lotion or something, man, Chuck.
The tint is range with the waps. I was in a T with a smack. Contract mode signed to the trap. Then it's a race to 100 racks. Cause those pop niggas run this sad. Couldn't get hit when they're under attack. OT trains, I was running away. He tried to run away, got one in his hat.
Dog, what the dog? I was like, dog, this beat sound rapid. Shit. I was like, this beat sound rapid. Then the shit just get drilly all of a sudden, dog. What the? Anyway, let me pull it up. Turn this up. And then we could start again. Cause you know Teeway stay when him start drilling a dog. Different thing. The plugged in. Go check out the Teeway plugged in, bro. Mad. Listen.
The tint is range with the waps. I was in a T with a smack. Contract mode signed to the trap. Then it's a race to 100 racks. Cause those pop niggas run this sad. Couldn't get hit when they're under attack. OT trains, I was running away. He tried to run away, got one in his hat. They ain't got no laces. Essence, spin it, retrieve them cases. Man, nigga Cinco, whip down, fry Caucasian.
Once I spin it, retrieve them cases. Yeah, pick up the shells from the ground after you do what you do, man. Yeah, you know, hey, shut up, man.
They ain't got no laces. Essence, spin it, retrieve them cases. Man, nigga Cinco, whip down, fry Caucasian. Wallahi, he ain't no racist. Two sticks in a spaceship.
You see, as soon as he said whip, I didn't even think, bro. I immediately started doing this, bro. I know what it's about whipping the Caucasian, dog. I know what it means, fam. Jesus. Tell you, bro. Him and Country Dance make me feel like I need to just go and at least take a field trip to the trap and just see what's going on in the trap, bro. Just at least.
Man, nigga Cinco, whip down, fry Caucasian. Wallahi, he ain't no racist.
Wallahi.
Two sticks in a spaceship, pull up on cats and fry them faces. Deal on a hunt for a brand new teeth, cause we ain't tryna sit on no empty braces. But we still got 6 in a spindle. Tell the arts best buy some crypto. I got history with this.
Bro, my friend literally just texted me and was like, yo, go buy some crypto, bro. And I was like, fam, I don't have any money to buy any crypto. I was like, give me $1. But that's crazy that Teeway said that. And my friend literally just said that.
Braces, but we still got 6 in a spindle. Tell the arts best buy some crypto. I got history with this gravy. I've been serving too much Bristol. When me enter, man's big bro grown men scream they ain't even involved. How the fuck they let my man rap about posing here, never let no stick go. And I know this Forza Jezzy, she been around too many man like Frisco, yo. Too many man like Skepta.
Too many man, too many man. You see, bro, people think I don't know these things, no, bro. I know these things, bro. I'm tuned in, man.
And I know this Forza Jezzy, she been around too many man like Frisco, yo. Too many man like Skepta, where Cinco, my bros got swept up. Got a Mets little bro went Mensa, tried a boom in the door, I surrender. Me a penalty in the German reg, but something got hit from chest up. Vex up, he just fucked his chest up. 6 blows on my bay, that's goals. 6 blows on my bay, that's goals. Like 24 rats now, bros on froze up. Yo, I got Hovis goals. Traveling moats with loads of bones. Niggas running from loaded poles. M try running, got so much holes. M try running, got so much holes. Yo, 6 blows on my bay, that's goals. 6 blows on my bay, that's goals. Like 24 rats now, bros on froze. Yo, I got Hovis goals. Traveling moats with loads of bones. Niggas running from loaded poles. M try running, got so much holes. Real try running, but still get shifted. And the cats that were leaving me, I was just with F on the M26. That's non-stop trips and we need to sleep. Main road sprinting, trying to tell Cole stop, but he don't wanna be deceased. This 2 ton from 100 miles in a Midland town and a teeth from Heath. Feels a beat, stuck in a blender, yo. DJ Kenny is mixing. Brother S love trapping each.
Oh, you saw me, bro. You saw me. I was already mixing it, T. T. I was mixing, man. Dog, from him start talk about the mixing, bro, my hands, it's like they just know, bro. You see, dog, I'm telling you. I just need to at least take one day and just go to the trap just to see, dog. You see me? Come my hands, bro. They're just ready. They're ready, fam.
Feels a beat, stuck in a blender, yo. DJ Kenny is mixing. Brother S love trapping, he chapped so much till enforcement nicked him. Loaded poles, M to the 4-5 home, but he don't live near Brixton. FPG in the car,
M to the 4-5 home.
Nicked him, loaded poles, M to the 4-5 home, but he don't live near Brixton.
M to the 4-5 home. Is that a M way to get to Brixton? Let me know in the comments. I'm not sure.
So much till enforcement nicked him. Loaded poles, M to the 4-5 home, but he don't live near Brixton. FPG in the car, a star for a lot. You don't want to see that victim. Watch that 10. Diamonds giant, 100 losses, I keep on trying. F cool when he get that smoke. Only being ain't shit man's buying. Put man stack on the stove is frying. We slap them when a grown man lying. Your boy coulda dead. You see them niggas that done that attempt to you just denying. New location, so much dust. Says trapping, tryna go home for months. I pray G squad don't notice us. 3 pulls up in a stolen truck. Man nigga 2-3 got so much luck and he don't stop swinging. It's over. Fuck. Yo, look cats rubbing their noses, itchy palms of the soda does. Junkies fried, I don't know it's fuck. Yo, 6 blows on my bay, that's goals. 6 blows on my bay, that's.
Nah, that last part, dog, grimy.
Them niggas that done that attempt to you just denying.
Yeah, after this part.
Slap them when a grown man lying. Your boy coulda dead. You see them niggas that done that attempt to you just denying. New location, so much dust. Says trapping, tryna go home for months. I pray G squad don't notice us. 3 pulls up in a stolen truck. Man nigga 2-3 got so much luck and he don't stop swinging. It's over. Fuck. Yo, look cats rubbing their noses, itchy palms of the soda does. Junkies fried, I don't know it's fuck. Yo, 6 blows on my bay, that's goals. 6 blows on my bay, that's goals. Like 24 rats now, bros on froze. Yo, I got Hovis goals. Traveling moats with loads of bows. Niggas running from loaded poles. M try running got so much holes. M try running got so much holes. 6 blows on my bay, that's gold. 6 blows on my bay, that's gold. Like 24 rats now, bros on froze. Yo, I got Hovis goals. Traveling moats with loads of bows. Niggas running from loaded poles. M try running got so much holes. M try running got so much holes.
Try running got so much holes. Aye, you can't beef me. I got so much pose. Aye. Listen, and when they get on camera, she loves to pose. Listen, hype, bro. Whew. Can't lie. This was sick still, and the melody at the end, it still sound rappy, bro. It still sound like a rap beat. Supposed to go behind the melody, and it's drill. Bro, that's mad. So big up. Who produced this? Maybe a Unico, or I don't know who, but whoever produced this, well fucking done. Teeway, well fucking done. You see me I say? This was sick. Teeway goals. Off of first listen. The thing is with Teeway song them get better after you listen them couple times. Well, you can't really listen to Teeway one song one time and then, you see me? So, for first listen, I'll definitely give this an 8. That means that the next time I listen to it, you see me I said 9, probably at the beat, 808s, them not stuck in a one place, them a slide, them a do them thing, melody going off, Teeway still unbeat, never, you understand? And we get a hook, like, come on, bro, like, what more you want? What you want him to do? Got talk about beef with Trap Times 10? Nah, fam. Leave that shit alone, because it would have get censored and taken down and baited. Nah, fam. Is it? So, Teeway goals, let me know anything about it in the comments. Road to 2K. So if you're seeing this, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me, and get into the comments. I reply to all the comments, and I reply to all my DMs on Instagram. So you don't know, follow me on Instagram and get into the comments. Cogence and a Cogence Reacts channel. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Yeah. fuck them know for reach me girl. Pon the phone just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me yeah girl. Bring the pussy to me yeah girl. Get roll